In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download games directly from Ubisoft Connect to your computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Ubisoft account, or even just download the Ubisoft Connect. Log into your account or create one if you don't have. Once you are here, now head to library, and here you should see a number of games that you can download. And you can see, if I click on free games here, we have quite a number of them. To get any of this, first go ahead and hover over it, and you should see a download option here. So I'll go ahead and download this Battle Core Arena by just clicking on download. And as you can see, Battle Core Arena free to play has been added to my games. From here, I'll go ahead and choose this, install Battle Core Arena. I'll click on continue. Change the location or leave it as it is. So I'll leave it to this location, and also permit creation of a start menu shortcut and desktop icon. And finally, click on continue and read through the terms and conditions up to the end. Accept and continue. Go ahead now and accept. And here you can see the game size. The download has commenced. You can track it in real time. So this game is being downloaded straight to my computer, and you can also see it here. And as you can see, the shortcut is already available on my desktop. So that's how you can download games from Ubisoft Connect. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.